Hello everyone and welcome to my electronics channel. In today's video we are going to learn about how to create a smart home automation with the help of an ESP32, the Wi-Fi capable microcontroller. So as you know, this ESP32 is a versatile microcontroller capable of Wi-Fi, Bluetooth low energy and various other capabilities, which is making it as a wise choice for like any IoT projects. So more students, engineers and hobbyists are using it for uh, for any IoT project implementation. So this is quite a simple prototype that we will be building today. So what we need for this is one ESP32 board. I will be using the devkit module, which is the V2 board, and we need two LEDs, two like registers. You can use a 220 ohms register to limit the current flowing into the LED bulbs, and we'll be using two general purpose IO pins. So in this diagram it shows like 26 and 27, but in the program I think I have written like GPIO2 and GPIO15, which is this two side pins over here. Okay, so let's see the Arduino program. So the idea of this program is to build a smart home automation in the form of a web server, so that by pressing any keys or taking some action on the web server, I can turn on or off a smart home appliance, some kind of electric like bulbs or fan, or like any home appliance for that matter, like washing machine, your coffee maker, your microwave oven, like anything. So ideally, we will want to create an interface on a web server which has like two buttons to control the two LEDs that we have in this prototype, and I will be uh, like acting on that the two buttons to turn them on and off, and I will be like monitoring whether like those LEDs can be turned off programmatically by leveraging the Wi-Fi capability of ESP32. So in this program, I will be using the Wi-Fi header library to use the API capability of this the library. So I have connected to my home automation or my home router, which is having the SSID of SkyJNIUU, and I have also specified the password. So I will be using one instance of the Wi-Fi server called the server 80, which is listening on the port 80. So this is my instance of the web server where the application will be hosted. Okay, so I will be using two general purpose IO pins, which is pin number 2 and 15. So I have like, used some of the variables to connect to these pins. Okay, so within my setup program, I will be setting the baud rate for the serial monitor. So I will be setting the GPIO pins 2 and 15 as the output pin, and to begin with I will set those two pins to low or to turn off mode. So then I will be connecting to my SSID, which is my home Wi-Fi network router, by providing the SSID and the password. So as soon as the Wi-Fi connection has succeeded, it will return me the IP address to which it is connected in the form of the local IP. So inside my loop method, I will be like creating one client or like listening for the incoming clients, and I will be like creating one web page with the help of HTML content, so that the look and feel of my smart home automation web server can be implemented. Okay, so using this I will be like creating an HTTP content. The content type will be text HTML, and I will be like implementing two buttons. So as soon as I run the program, you can see it. So this is the code basically to create two buttons, and on the button click of these two buttons, I will be sending one HTTP post, like one HTTP GET request with the parameters like 2 being turned on, then 2 being turned off, and similarly So one more get request for the pin number 15 to turn on, and then the pin number 15 to turn off. Okay, so let's see how the HTML web page has been designed. So I will be like implementing uh, one HTML page with the document type, the header, the links, and everything. I have also set the background color and the font sizes as well with some styles. The web page header has been set here as IoT Home Automation Server. Then within the paragraph, I will be setting these two variables or two like buttons basically to showcase the state of my LED, and an option, so with the help of this ahref to to take the actions on it. So if you notice here, ahref equal to 2 off and then ahref equal to 2 on are the two states or the two like actions which is taken on the pin number 2 button. Okay, so they will be labeled as on and off, okay, based on the state of them. So similarly, we'll do the same thing for the general purpose IO pin 15. So in this case, I have used the red LED for connecting to the GPIO 2, and I have used the blue LED to connect to the general purpose IO pin 15. Okay, as explained in this diagram. So instead of this two red, actually in my prototype it is one red and one blue. So once this HTML content is rendered, this is how it looks like. So this is my home automation server. So it's running on the port 192.168.0.14, so which shows that it has successfully able to connect to my home Wi-Fi. Okay, and if you see so I have run this program and I have already like loaded this program into the like ESP32 module connected on this the breadboard, and I have also uploaded the program into it. So this is how the web server looks like. It's a IoT home automation server which provides two buttons. One is this red LED, the other is the blue LED. Current state for both of them are off. Okay, so as you can see here so I'll turn on the droid cam as well so that you can be able to see the content of it. So this is the breadboard where I have connected this ESP32 Wi-Fi device, and I have powered it up with the USB connecting from my laptop, and here are the two LED buttons. One is red, other is blue. Okay, so just notice here, as soon as I turn the red LED on by clicking on this on button, so this red LED has turned on. Okay, as you can see from the video of the droid cam. And so if you notice here on the COM5 serial monitor, so you will see the GPIO2 is sent on, and then the client got disconnected. So basically this is my HTTP request. Okay, so actually it was an HTTP the GET request with a parameter of /02/on to turn on the pin number 2 or to set the pin number 2 as high. Okay, so similarly, so when I turn the blue LED, the current state is off. So if I turn on the blue LED, so you will be able to notice this here, and at the same time just watch out the serial monitor as well. Okay, so as soon as you notice here, the blue LED has been turned on now. So both the states of this LED is on. So red LED state is on, blue LED state is on, and the options which I have right now is to turn off them. Okay, so if you just scroll and see the HTTP request which was sent on the serial port, you will be able to see a GET request on the pin number 15 to turn it on. Okay, and like based on this HTTP GET request, we are able to control my home appliances, in this case these two LED bulbs, with the help of the web server page. Okay, so I'm turning it on, So I've turned off the red LED now, and it's only the blue one which is active, and the state of the home automation server at a point reflects what is the current state of these LEDs, right? So both are off now, so the state is off. As you notice here, the off, the message has been sent, and I can turn like both of them on like this. So friends, I hope this is an useful implementation and a very basic like IoT project which can help you to build more such home automation or smart home systems by which we can like implement uh, like various like home appliances, or we can control the home appliances remotely from anywhere in the world. Okay, as long as it has a home Wi-Fi connection which is connected to the internet, we can control any appliances. Okay, so if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching.